Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start immediately after cleansing. Don't wait. Once skin is dry, patch test for 24 hours on a small area to confirm tolerance. Make sure to apply a thin, even layer of the peeling solution. Typically 5% AHA or 2% BHA is beginner-friendly, and keep it away from eyes, nostrils, and lips. If you feel sharp burning, remove product with cool water. Otherwise, leave on per product timing and proceed to the next step. Once the solution is on, set a timer for the recommended window, usually between 2 to 10 minutes depending on your sensitivity and the formula's strength. You must monitor sensations. Slight tingling is normal, sharp pain is not. When time's up, neutralize if required or rinse thoroughly with cool water. Do not rub or scrub. Make sure to gently pat dry and apply a calming serum like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid if you experience mild redness. Then wait before layering other products. You finish by moisturizing and, crucially, applying broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher if you'll be outside. Acids increase sun sensitivity. Make sure to avoid retinoids or strong actives for 48 hours after a peel. If you see severe stinging, persistent burning, blistering, or intense redness, wash immediately and consult a clinician. One key troubleshooting tip: if irritation occurs repeatedly, lower the acid strength or extend the interval to once weekly. Gradual progression is safer and more effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.